This was the day the computers died. The New York Stock Exchange went dark for the longest period since 9/11, and United Airlines was forced to ground its fleet when its computers failed. But Homeland Security says there's no evidence of anything criminal. Trading on the big board resumed late in the day, and the Dow ended with a loss of 261 points. Anthony Mason begins our coverage.
The first glitches in the system began to appear soon after the opening bell, when orders for some smaller stocks failed to go through, says trader Peter Tuchman.
In the midst of trying to fix those problems, they laid out some kind of a new program to prevent this from happening, and that may have caused a further technical glitch.
A little after 11:30, the NYSE shut down the entire exchange to sort out the problem and cancel some 700,000 orders in the system. But as the Wall Street trading floor went silent, trades could still be executed on other exchanges. The markets didn't panic.
We're not seeing overreaction. We're not seeing fear. We are running in a technically advanced world that does have problems sometimes.
In August of 2013, the NASDAQ was similarly paralyzed by a 3-hour shutdown after a software upgrade. Steve Grubman is Chief Technical Officer with Intel Security.
As we upgrade systems in order to make them more reliable and more resilient to cyber attack, the very act of upgrading them will in some cases introduce changes that cause either failures or even new vulnerabilities.
The exchange finally reopened at 3:10 in the afternoon, with veteran traders like Ted Weisberg resigned to living in a new age.
United Airlines had a problem today. The Wall Street Journal had a problem today. It happens. It happens. It doesn't happen because people make it happen. It just happens.
The SEC and the White House were kept informed while the stock exchange was down today. Security experts say whatever the internal technical problem was does not mean the exchange is any more vulnerable to outside attacks. Scott?
Senior business correspondent Anthony Mason. Anthony, thanks very much.